So here's how to rank Fiverr gig on first page. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the end and don't skip any important steps. Ranking your Fiverr gig on the first page requires a combination of factors that demonstrate the quality, relevance, and popularity of your gig. Here are some strategies to improve your gig's ranking and visibility. Number 1 is keyword optimization. Use relevant keywords in your gig title, description, tags, and FAQ section. Research what potential buyers are searching for and incorporate those keywords strategically. After that, use eye-catching and professional images that showcase your services. Consider adding a video to your gig, as it can significantly improve your chances of ranking higher. After that, write a clear and comprehensive gig description that outlines the benefits of your services and sets proper expectations for buyers. Provide excellent services and exceed your client's expectation. Positive reviews are crucial for improving your gig's ranking. Respond to messages and inquiries from potential buyers as quickly as possible. A quick response time demonstrates professionalism and reliability. Provide excellent services to your clients and politely ask for reviews after completing orders. Positive reviews play a significant role in Fiverr search algorithm. After that, optimize gig extras. If applicable, offer exciting gig extras that add values to your services and entice buyers to spend more. Regularly update your gig and maintain an active presence on Fiverr. The platform tends to favor active sellers. Consistency is a key. Maintain a consistent track record of delivering high quality work and excellent customer services to build a positive reputation over time. It's important to note that achieving first page ranking can take time and effort, especially if you are just starting on Fiverr. Focus on providing value to your clients and continuously improving your gig based on feedback and performance. As you gain more positive reviews and complete more orders, your gig's ranking and visibility are likely to improve. So that's how to rank gigs on Fiverr on first page.